Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I'm here to unbox the August Beauty Heroes box. As you know, normally I love it best when I'm excited and I don't know what brand it is, and I felt like I was so close to not knowing what brand it was. And then I think I saw an email today that gave it away, then I think it's Sense. And I actually use their shampoo and conditioner, not daily, but like every time I wash my hair. So I like them, but like I don't really want it to be Sense because I don't feel like I need more like weird extra hair products. I don't tend to do hair masks and I don't really style my hair. I just tend to like wash it, condition it, and then I'll do maybe like it's not straightened right now. So I washed it today. So it's just kind of naturally wavy like this. I don't really tend to wear it like this too much. I suppose if there was like a styling cream, I could try scrunching it, so that might not be horrible. But like I already have some of their hair masks that I've had for years and I need to like make myself use, and I just don't want like more products that I need to make myself use. But then again, maybe they have some other products. So let's just see, okay? And then maybe it'd be funny if it wasn't Sense after all that. But, oh, it's Sense, okay. And they've also done this like this brand, I feel like, I don't know if it's every year, but sometimes I'm like kind of sick of them. So that's very nice. Okay, cool thing is there's 4 products, so let's hope it's 4 products that I am excited about, or at least some. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, the detox hair mask. Okay, not more of this. I've already gotten this before and I don't really use it much. It's fine, but like yes, you can tell my raw emotion related to that. Repair mask. I think I already have this too, which I barely use anyway. So now it's like I have more of products that I don't really need. And the Sense Air Dry Styling Cream. This I'll try to see if I could get it, like scrunch my hair when it's wet and see if I like it better. Not it better, but you know what I mean, like as a hair option. Light hold, no heat needed styling cream to enhance natural texture. Let me smell it, see if it's sealed. Oh, it's sealed. I guess I'll open it because whatever. And again, I like their shampoo and conditioner. Like I actually bought the big refills. They come in like big pouches that you can refill your product. So I like them. I'm not excited about it. You can see I mean, these are like 3 large products, but I also feel like they're just sort of trying to get rid of them because they've done the detox hair mask and the repair mask before. All right, let's also see what this is. Overnight Repair Serum. Restorative bonding serum to revitalize damaged hair. This is like a product that I don't know if I would really use. All right, so, I mean, nice box in the sense that it's like 4 products and all that stuff. But let's see what it says here. All right, Discover Sense. Okay, so the Overnight Repair Serum is a new launch. Okay, the very first to experience the new Overnight Repair Serum, launching exclusively alongside this discovery for its official debut. So let's see, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so we have the Air Dry Styling Cream, which I showed you. These ones are all 6 ounces, and the styling cream is $30. Skip the heat and cut down on dry time. An instant viral favorite, Air Dry Styling Cream helps hair dry faster while delivering lightweight hold, touchable definition, and a smoother looking finish. Baobab and Algin support softness, hydration, and manageability, creating effortless lived-in style without stiffness or crunch. Simply apply to towel-dried hair, air dry, and let your hair do what it does best. So like I said, I will look forward to using that. Overnight Repair Serum is a new one. It's 4 ounces for $42. Meet the future of beauty sleep. Launching exclusively with this discovery, Overnight Repair Serum repairs the visible signs of damage while you rest. Hydrolyzed moringa protein helps rebuild broken bonds. Tamanu oil locks in moisture and smooths the cuticle. And lavandin extract creates a calming aromatic experience that supports relaxation. Apply on damp hair or dry hair from mid-lengths to ends before bed. Wake up to hair that feels softer, looks shinier, and appears stronger by morning. So I will try that. Oh, then we have the Detox Hair Mask, $30. Reset your scalp and strands with Detox Hair Mask, a purifying treatment that removes buildup, excess oil, and pollution without stripping moisture. Apply this mask once a week after shampoo. Oh, I never knew that. After shampoo. I never know if I did that correctly. And before conditioner, to allow kaolin clay and charcoal to draw out what the hair no longer needs, while glycerin, nourishing oils, and organic vinegar helps restore softness, shine, and manageability. Aromatic notes of ylang-ylang or ylang-ylang, orange, patchouli, and lavender transform wash day into a restorative ritual. Maybe I'm going to like put some of these masks in my shower, like the older versions I have of these, to like make myself remember to use them. Because now that I have more of these, I don't want to get like a big collection of them. And next is the Repair Mask, $34. Bring stressed strands back to life with Repair Mask, an intensive treatment designed for dry, brittle, or damaged hair, which I don't know. My hair is not, I wouldn't say dry or brittle, or damaged for sure. Hydrolyzed moringa protein helps reinforce the appearance of weakened hair, while vitamin C and tamanu oil nourish, smooth, and hydrate. Used in place of conditioner every few washes, this rich formula leaves hair looking stronger, softer, shinier, and more resilient with every treatment. And I've used it before. It's like a thicker, more nourishing conditioner. So that's the box. I would love to know your thoughts and feelings on this box. I also feel like we got a few like hair products over the year or so that like I don't need more hair products. Like, I don't know. And I feel like we got some fairly recently, I can't remember. It's like on the tip of my tongue, the other brand recently that we got hair products from. I think I'll have to look at the old cards and see, but it doesn't feel like that long since we've gotten hair products. I would say this is one of the boxes I've been like least excited about for a while. Especially the fact that it includes like these two products that we've gotten before. This kind of feels sort of to me like a lazy box. Like, I don't know. Maybe because I don't love, even like I said, even though they're like my shampoo and conditioner, I'm really happy with them. I'm just not like super excited about these. I would have loved if they maybe had come out with like beauty or body products. Like, I would much rather have body products anytime over hair products. I guess in inner sense, it's never really like excited me. I don't get as excited about hair products. Okay, you guys get the gist of it. In the comments below, please tell me what you think of the box. Are some of you really excited about it? Or some of you feel the same? What are you thinking? I want to know, like, I always like to go on Instagram and see what people think, and it seems like everyone's always like so thrilled with the box no matter what. And I would wish to see like more. I'm sometimes just curious, like, where are the like maybe not so excited comments? I guess I could leave the not excited ones if I really wanted to. But yeah, let's chat in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. Thank you for watching. Bye.